Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. Today we are going to present about computer processors. First of all, my name is Muhammad Azhar Ilmi bin Muhammad Iman Ilmi, metric number 190049.
And my name is Nur Nazrul Shafiq bin Muhammad Nazri, and my matric number is 190379.
Okay. For introduction, computer processors. The history of computer processors begin when silicon is found in 1823. Then Nicholas Tesla found logic gates that are called switches and gates. Logic circuits we call circuits and gates. And then the first transistors was invented in Bell Laboratories. Next, Intel was founded in first Intel was founded by Robert Noyce and Gilden Moore, and then soon after that, AMD Advanced Microprocessors was being founded in 1969 to be the rival of Intel. Next, as we can see the history of computer processors. First, AMD introduced the AM386, and then Intel produces the Pentium for the second generation, and these processors are up to date until now is the fourth generation. What is shown in the slide is the third generation of Pentiums, and currently we are the latest technology of processors is the i7 technology, which is the best, the fastest technology. i7 based on history, i7 was being introduced in 2007, back in 2007, and the i5 was introduced in 2009, and the i3, if I'm not mistaken, was introduced in 2010. Even though i7 was being introduced to the public, was being released public, the very basic one is being released to the public in 2006. It's much more older than the i3, but the i3 is not the fastest processor currently not the fastest processor. It is the i7, because the i7 has the fastest speed currently up to 4.0 gigahertz per second. Next. These are the images. Processor designs. CPU designs focuses on 6 main areas, which are data paths, they have control units, they have memory components, we have clock circuits, and logic pads. This is the picture. This is the diagram of how basically the processor works. This is the control unit, this is the input and output. From the main memory, we as the user, sometimes we insert inputs such as pen drive and any to install or to upload documents. From here it will be uploaded to the control unit, and the control unit will be processing the data storages, and it will pass through to all the computer, the whole computer, yes, basically. And now I will pass to my partner Nazirul.
Turns to me for define the memory. The definition of memory, which is memory is the temporary storage for places for the instruction, data, and informations, and a byte is the basic storage unit in a memory, and such as kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte. The system unit contains several types of memories like RAM, random access memory, memory cache, and flash memory. RAM is consists of memory chips that the processor chips can read from and write to, and memory cache is called a cache store or RAM cache, and improve the processing time by storing frequently used instruction data. And the flash memory we can also can be known as a flash drive, like thumb drive, and can store data outside the computer. This is the definition of the speed of computer processor, which is speed is a cycles that are grouping of informations, that which is cycle is complete when all the instruction in the group is have been processed. Okay, the multi the process, why it matters, the importance of speed, why it matters, which is the more cycles that computer central processing have, the faster the speed. So the more the processor in the computer have, that computer have, and the faster the speed of the processor. And what impacts it, what can be impact the speed of the processor is the circuit size, the diameter of the circuit size, and the cache size, and the efficiency of the instructions. And the smaller chips usually result in the faster processor speed, and also because the data has less distance. And the smaller chip also result in greater heat generation, which needs to be managed, which is overheating may cause.
Oh, yeah.
And this is that I talk about the more the processor in the computer it have, the faster the speed of the processor. Okay, and it's similar to asking the two workers, like if two workers do one job, the job will took less period of time rather than one worker to do that same job. And some programmers are writing code that is specially written to be handled by such as a processor setup. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope you guys understand all informations we thought.
Yeah, yes.
We just told,
Just explain this now.
just explain now, and that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.